Hey guys, JT Speeds here. I'm back with another one. This is the show where I watch police chases. Today we are watching a pursuit of a Charger. West Arkansas, something like this, okay? I'm going to need you guys to check out my Instagram for me. It should be somewhere right here, somewhere down here. If you guys could give me a follow on Instagram, check out the content, maybe drop a like. Also, if you guys could subscribe for me, just hit the sub button, hit the like button for me, get the engagement up on the channel, just so these videos can reach more people who need to see this type of content if this is what they want to see. So yeah, just a couple of JT Speeds commercials. So yeah, we're gonna get back into the video.
Really, nigga?
So there's some music or something like that. Some Dodge Charger is speeding, as it says on the screen here. And now there's audio footage. Audio footage, you know what I mean, video footage, guys. So this cop is already going 100. Okay, so it flies up on the Charger's bumper immediately.
Black Charger.
The Charger gets over. In sight. He stabs off. The cop said it's gonna be a Scat Pack or Hellcat or something. Just stomped off on his ass. Oof. So I didn't know how this is popular, guys. These police chases and dodges and stuff like that. This is a whole game. And the police buy Dodges just as much as people go out their way to buy Dodges to run from the police. And I just honestly was ignorant about this, guys. Oh my goodness, look. I think this is a Scat Pack. I suspect this to be a Scat Pack, a 6.4. Damn, man, it's gone. 2 mile marker. What does he mean by that? 2 miles into Tennessee where he has no jurisdiction. Wow. How did he get through those trucks? I looked down for a split second. You gotta be crazy to be driving like that, bro. Where is the Scat Pack? Where is the Dodge? Where is the black Charger? I know the cops are going crazy. Like, they're sitting down eating the donuts and they're like, bro, I swear it was a black Charger. They're like, bro, just run the footage back. We don't see a Dodge Charger, man. He's losing his Okay, maybe I do see a Charger. Oh, he's stuck in traffic. You about to pit the out of him, bro.
Black male driver, orange hoodie.
This is hilarious, bro.
That means it's nowhere. He's coming up to the state line.
So does that, look at him, he just want to fly into the bumper, like, yes, mother. I would not do this with you right now, bro. You are running. I'm a cop, bro. You gonna pull over. Hit the lights, yep.
I attempted a TBI on him.
Hit the lights.
I've slowed my patrol speed down.
Yeah.
55. We're in Tennessee right now.
You're patrolling now.
B29 direct.
You gotta find a new crime to investigate.
Okay. We're in Memphis right now. I'm still behind him in heavy traffic. If you can get Memphis PD on the phone.
If you guys watch my
SRT
other chases, you know how this goes.
6999 Texas.
The cop usually will do the U and go back to his state. Because at this point, this is Tennessee. And this is
He's
Arkansas
continuing
State
on the
Police. And the Charger is going to continue to cut up with his 6'4". Well, the cop cannot do that. Because that is illegal. Yeah, it would honestly just be worse for the cop to
red light going under the bridge on Crump, continuing on. I'm not following any.
Broad day.
I'm going to turn around at near the Crescent Bluff apartment at Florida and Crump. Come back.
Broad day. Wow.
4. Only direct.
Okay, guys. So you seen what this Charger did? I don't know if this was a scat pack, not stock 5.7. This is crazy. This is crazy. What happens, man? How the Charger cooks up. Yeah, this Charger is honestly just. I need to see more of this. Honestly, I would love to see more of this. I want to see some Hellcats. Obviously, guys, don't run from the police. This is horrible. But this person did it correctly. You gotta give them their props. I mean, the cops couldn't get their donut. Arkansas State Police, you guys have definitely earned the donut in one of these videos, and I'm gonna make sure I get some good donuts for you guys. But yeah, this is a W for Mopar Gang. You feel me? Yeah, it's JT Speeds, and I'm out. Peace.